Bonjour tout le monde. Good afternoon. A little over 36 hours ago, an email was sent to members of the NDP caucus containing an allegation that a member of parliament from our caucus, Aaron Weir, engaged in harassing behavior towards women, specifically members of the NDP staff team. This is a troubling allegation that I take very seriously. I've spoken with caucus, and we will be appointing an independent investigator to conduct a fair and full examination of the facts available. While that process is ongoing, Mr. Weir's duties as NDP MP will be temporarily suspended. Once the work of the investigator has completed, the MP's role in caucus will be re-evaluated. I'm committed to creating a safe workplace for all and ensuring that all survivors feel safe to come forward. Il y a un peu plus de 36 heures, un courriel a été envoyé aux membres du caucus du NPD. Il comportait des allégations selon lesquelles un député de notre caucus, Aaron Weir, a eu des comportements harcelants envers des femmes, plus particulièrement des membres du personnel NPD. Il s'agit d'une allégation troublante que je prends très au sérieux. J'ai parlé à mon caucus et nous nommerons un enquêteur indépendant afin de mener un examen juste et exhaustif sur les faits disponibles. Pendant la durée du processus, M. Weir sera temporairement suspendu de ses fonctions à titre de député du NPD. Une fois le travail de l'enquêteur terminé, le rôle du député au sein du caucus sera réévalué. Je suis engagé à créer un milieu de travail pour tous et toutes et à m'assurer que les survivantes et les survivants se sentent à l'aise de se manifester. Merci, and if you have any questions.
Est-ce qu'il est suspendu du caucus ou seulement de ses fonctions?
Seulement de ses fonctions.
Et pouvez-vous élaborer sur la nature de ce qui est allégué dans ses comportements? Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Combien de victimes alléguées?
On n'a pas les détails. C'est seulement des allégations en ce moment, mais je veux vraiment montrer que je me suis engagé à vraiment créer et bâtir un milieu sûr, sécuritaire. Et ça, c'est ma responsabilité comme chef, donc je m'engage de faire ça.
Et pourquoi n'a-t-il pas expulsé du caucus en ce moment?
À ce moment, on n'a pas une survivante ou un survivant pour vraiment mise en œuvre notre processus. Donc, à ce moment, je veux être clair que je prends ces allégations au sérieux et je veux vraiment montrer notre engagement de créer un milieu sécuritaire.
Vous n'avez pas de survivants, vous n'avez pas d'allégations.
What more can you say about the context of the allegation? What more can you say about what happened?
Are they just rumors if you don't have a victim?
At this point in time, we don't have a survivor or someone who's coming forward specifically. Because that's the case, we really believe in a survivor-driven process. That's a very fundamental thing. And in just highlighting the importance of a survivor-driven process, the act of whether it's harassment or violence takes away and strips power from those who've experienced it, survivors. And to reestablish or to rectify this imbalance of power, it requires giving power back to those who have gone through this, survivors. And so that means making sure the process is survivor-driven and that we respect that. In this case, we just have a concern that's been raised by one of our members. The concern is serious enough for me to take action, and that's why I'm taking action at this point.
Can you just clarify, Mr. Singh, can you just clarify a couple of things? So you say you don't have someone coming forward.
That's right.
So do you have anonymous allegations, or you say you have concerns passed by a member? Is that an MP raising concerns about what she or he saw with women staffers? Can you just explain to us what was told to you?
Yeah, so I said it very clearly in my statement. There was an email that we received. And in that email, there were some concerns that were raised. Those concerns were raised were not by someone that was a survivor, not someone that personally experienced something, but someone was conveying these concerns. Since these concerns are so serious, I want to take action. but they were not, a survivor has not come forward, someone who's experienced it personally has not come forward. These are concerns or allegations that have been brought to light, and as leader, I want to take action.
And
with
when,
it.
and when I just want, and when you say brought forward by a member, do you mean an MP or? In answer to Althea, I think you said.
I said that in my statement. I said a member of our parliament.
Passed
Yeah.
by a member. Okay.
Yeah, member of our parliament.
And
Yeah.
harassment, is it sexual harassment or psychological harassment?
No, we're not clear. Nothing that right now, from what I've read, does not suggest that it's sexual in nature. It's just harassment is what I've...
You say you want a survivor-led process, but you have no survivors.
That's right.
So how long could this process take? Could it be forever, and therefore Mr. Weir has never the chance to clear the air?
So the idea is that we believe in a survivor-led process. So right now we don't have a survivor. But just because we don't have a survivor, we don't have someone that's experienced it and is willing to come forward, it's my responsibility as a leader that is committed to creating a safe working space to at least do something to examine or to look into any allegations that raise concerns about the workplace. Because I'm committed to that, I'm taking steps to ensure that we make a safe workplace.
So just to make it clear that
Video question. Je n'ai pas
Comment pouvez-vous mener une enquête s'il n'y a pas de témoins directs pour y participer?
C'est exactement le problème. C'est vraiment un problème. Dans ce cas, c'est pourquoi c'est très difficile. Mais si on a des concerns, une allégation, quand même on n'a pas un survivant ou une survivante, comme chef, il faut agir, il faut faire quelque chose. Donc, ce que j'ai annoncé aujourd'hui, c'est que je vais examiner le fait qu'on a, le fait qu'on a. Et c'est pour moi, c'est très important qu'on montre mon engagement de créer un milieu sécuritaire et sûr. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.